Guys, for today's video, sinubukan ko talaga ngayon sign up kay Mabilis Cash. Kasi nabasa ko sa mga comment section ko na okay daw sa kanila si Mabilis Cash. Kaso, merong isang problema ang common sa lahat. And yun yung isa sa i-discuss natin mamaya para malaman nyo kung dependable ba si Mabilis Cash para sa inyo. Kasi hindi magiging pare-parehas ang experience natin kay Mabilis Cash. And i-explain ko yan sa inyo kung bakit. Tingnan din natin yung ratings and common feedback ng mga customer. And then, kung tama yung ina-advertise nilang APR nila sa kanilang app. So, samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're newer to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron na akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yun ng videos and playlist na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so hindi po ito sponsored ni Mabilis Cash or anything about sponsorship. So wala po. Purely, ito yung na-experience ko and I wanted to share this with you guys. So, yun nga, nagbasa-basa ako sa comment section and may nakita akong common sa mga feedback ng mga nag-loan kay Mabilis Cash. Okay, but before that, check muna natin yung details ni Mabilis Cash. So, si Mabilis Cash ay under kay Mali Lending Corporation na may SEC registration number na ito. And yes, upon checking sa SEC website, they are still registered as a lending institution sa SEC. So, we don't have any issues about paper legalities. Okay. Now, i-check natin kung may website si Mabilis Cash. Yan. So, meron naman, mabiliscash.ph. Check natin kung one-page website lang to. Mukhang hindi naman siya one-page website kasi iba yung site for the FAQ, blogs, and then iba. So, tingnan nyo guys, ganito yung mga nasasabi kong mga companies na talagang pinagtutuunan nila ng pansin i-build. Kasi, like for example, meron pa silang other pages na nagpo-provide ng financial articles. Like ito, the pros and cons of using credit card, etc. Halos every week sila nagpo-post ng article. So, kahit pa paano, hindi natin to maiko-compare sa mga online lending apps na parang fly-by-night. Yung tipong one-pager na website ng mga online lending app and then biglang mawawala sa Play Store. So, I think hindi si Mabilis Cash yun. Okay, so now na nakita na natin tong website nila, punta na tayo dun sa Google Play Store nila. So, ito makikita natin na meron lang siyang 4.3 star at 117k reviews. So, i-check natin yung about para malaman natin yung kung ano yung sinasabi nila about their app. So, get up to 40,000 daw na approved loan amount and increase your limit with on-time repayment. Only one valid ID ang kailangan. And yung fees daw is as low as 3 pesos per day for borrowing 10,000. Wow, baba, di ba? Okay, pay your loan for up to 12 terms. 12 terms, guys. Ang isang term nila is 15 days. So, yung 12 term is around 6 months yan. Okay, ito na. Credit limit amount, so minimum daw ng 2,000 and maximum na 40,000. Loan term is 91 days to 180 days, which is 6 months. Maximum APR, 30% daw. So, i-check natin yan kung 30%, transaction fees, etc. Okay, so yun lang naman yung information na kailangan natin and ipoprove natin. Okay, so yun na nga, sinubukan ko mag-apply para lang din sa content at makita kung ma-approve ako dito kay Mabilis Cash. Diretso na tayo dun sa na-approve na amount sa akin. Nabigyan ako ng 23,000 pesos na loanable amount. So, nag-select ako ng 3-term which is 8,799 pesos per month yung babayaran ko. So, kung i-calculate natin yan, 8,799 plus 8,799. Kasi guys, hindi natin siya pwedeng multiply kasi yung last term na payment dito is hindi siya 8,799. 8,803 plus 8,803. So, lalabas sa 26,401 peso yung total repayment. So, kasama na dito yung interest. So, ngayon, i-minus natin yung 23,000 na principal natin. Mag-arrive tayo sa 3,401 na total interest expense or cost of loan. I-divide natin to by the principal which is 23,000. Total interest repayment ko ay 14.78 or 79%. So, that's less than 15% for 3 terms. Pero kung titingnan natin yung nakalagay dito, sabi niya interest rate lang niya ay 4.93% per term and then not exceeding monthly effective interest rate of 15%. Di ba yung BSP memorandum nagsiset ng limit sa mga unsecured loans ng up to 15%? Well, yung up to 15% na yon ay kung 10,000 pesos and below yung hihiramin mo, and at the same time, kung hindi lalagpas ng 6 months yata, if I'm not mistaken Kuya Editor, pakilagay na lang yung months dito. Kung up to ilang months yung pwedeng mautang at 15% interest rate. Pero dito guys, 23,000 pesos, that's more than 10,000. Pero, ang nakalagay ng monthly effective interest rate dito ay not exceeding 15%. O, di ba? Sumusunod na sila sa mga government laws or memorandum na na-release ng BSP and SEC, di ba? Balik tayo sa calculation natin. Itong 14.79% ay good for 3 terms, which is 45 days. Divide natin yan by 45 days. Lalabas na 0.32 or 0.33% per day ang interest. So, i-multiply natin to by 365 days. Lalabas na 1.19 or 1.20 or basically 120% ang APR. So, ito naman yung kinalungkot ko kay Mabilis Cash kasi what they're advertising is the maximum 30% APR. Kinompute naman natin itong binigay sa akin na credit limit na 23,000, well, that's more than 30%. Siguro kailangan fine-tuning na lang kay Mabilis Cash, i-correct nila yung nandun sa about page nila. Ewan ko, I don't know kung mali ako, pero yun yung na-calculate ko So, kung meron dyan na gusto akong i-correct, please, paki-correct po ako. And I would gladly accept to be corrected. Ayan. So, yun yung nakakalungkot kay Mabilis Cash. Pero, kung kukunin natin yung per term niya, lalabas na 4.92 or 4.93%, which is, pagbabalik tayo dito, ayan, nakalagay nga yung interest rate na 4.93% per term. So, kung kukunin natin yung monthly naman nito, i-multiply lang natin to by 2 kasi 15 days times 2 para 30 days. Ayan, 9.85 or 9.86%. So, mas mababa naman to dun sa 15% na ceiling. So far, so good. Yun lang sa tingin ko kailangan i-correct nila yung about this app para naman walang masabing deception or what. Now, i-check natin yung ratings. Ito. Most relevant, this is my go-to loan app. Never had any problems with them except for the CS, etc. So, good for Kit. Ito, 1 star. Yes, it's true that approval is quick and they are generous in giving you loanable amount. Yes, generous nga sila kasi for a first-time applicant, 23,000. However, yun nga lang, yung worst part daw is if you're 1 to 3 days late on your payment, you'll get endless calls until it's settled. Well, yeah, as long as within office hours siguro or walang masamang salita or ganon, it's within their right to collect. Yan, kahit sobrang kulit nila basta magalang sila, sige, it's within their right. Ito, very frustrating experience I had so far. At first, it was good. Processing of loan was very fast. I followed the requirement to have more credit limit and even paid in advance. However, when I tried to make a loan again, they rejected it. Okay, isa na siya. Ito naman. I fully paid it off. They reduced my credit limit which was supposed to be 12K back to 4K. Yun yung mga problems ng mga nag-loan na dito kaya Mabilis Cash. Ito rin, from 40K to 1K. Sakit. 40K na maximum na, tapos biglang 1K. Isa sa kailangan yung iset sa expectation nyo is kapag mangutang kayo sa mga online lending app, mga one-time loan lang yan. At huwag na kayo mag-expect ng second loan. Pag nagkaroon ng offer na second loan, well and good, thank you. Pero at least, di ba, na-set nyo yung expectation nyo na pang-isahang loan lang yan at pwedeng hindi na kayo ma-offeran. Leading people, although they have low interest and good paying schedule, but don't be fooled, but their ad pay on time increase credit limits. Ayan, isa pa yun sa guys, sa nakalagay sa about this page na kapag nagbayad ka on time, mag-i-increase ang credit limit mo. So, I think kailangan nilang baguhin na lang yon or i-delete na lang yon para, di ba, walang makakakita sa kanila. Okay, so far, yeah, ito yung mga common feedback ng mga mabababang ratings. But syempre, so far so good. Marami pa rin naman nag-rate ng mataas na star dito kay Mabilis Cash. Okay, so my verdict para sa unang offer na nabigay sa akin at 23,000, masyadong mataas na yon for an online lending app. Couple of fine-tuning na lang siguro yung mga hindi siguro nila madalas nakikita na kailangan nilang i-edit, lalo na sa app. Yan, kailangan nilang tanggalin yung mga hindi naman na totoo, update yung APR, etc. Good enough na nag-follow sila sa interest rate na sinet na maximum ni Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas at 15%. And also medyo good job sa Mabilis Cash sa fast approval and disbursement ng loan amount. So given this, would I recommend Mabilis Cash? As long as they follow what the government is setting, kung nakikita nyo na within the limit sila, sige, okay lang naman kasi ang government na natin na nagsasabi na up to 15% per month. Kung nandun yung interest rate, kunin nyo yun. Just be wary or mindful na makulit sila kapag nakamiss kayo na payment. Though wala naman akong nakitang feedback about panghaharas in terms of pagmumura, pagde-death threat, etc. Makulit lang talaga sila dahil it's within their legal rights to collect. For our question of the day, sa tingin nyo ba, mas marami ang nag-expect na makaka-reloan pag nabayaran na nila yung unang loan nila versus sa mga hindi na umuulit after ng first loan? At sa tingin nyo, bakit? Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayo manalo na ang 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Ray Ken. Sabi niya, good discussion. Thank you. At Ray Kens, thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto, and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!